Hi, welcome back to the channel. Super stoked you guys are joining me today. So today we're going to be going through and pulling all this stuff out of the back of the Forester, and then we're going to be installing our AEM 340 high flow fuel pump. So let's get started. I really hate having a tiny place to work. It's so frustrating. Okay, now we can get into this. So for starters, we're gonna pull this out. Whoop. Pull up all this flooring here. Pull this out. Drop the seats down, and then we'll have access to the fuel tank cover. All right, here is the cover for the stuff we need to get to for the fuel tank. It's got 4 Phillips head screws. We're going to go ahead and take that out, pop this cover off. At the same time being gentle and trying not to mess up the foam piece that's underneath, because we'll need that for reinstallation. We have electrical connection here. We have return line, I think, feed line, and I believe this is the vent. We're going to go ahead, pull these off, so you need a pair of pliers. For these pinch clips, slide them back, and then just pinch this orange piece right here, and very gently work this back. You also want to have a rag, so when you disconnect the fuel line, you have something to soak up the fuel. Woo! Alright, now there are 8mm nuts that we need to take off, and this whole assembly will pull out. Alright, there we go. Aha! Okay, with that being out, we're going to take and cover this up to make sure there's no contaminants or anything gets in there, and then move on to switching out to the bigger fuel pump. Okay, this thing is pretty straightforward. This is a very simple mod you can do with your car. So, I've got 3 flat tips right here for the clamps. I got a Phillips head here for the brace that's keeping the fuel pump stable, and an electrical connection here to disconnect, and then the fuel pump will be free. Go. AEM 340. Go ahead and open that up. We've got a new fuel filter. We've got the filter itself. We've got an electrical connection here with some O-rings. And of course some instructions. Just push down as far as it'll go. I'm going to take our little star washer. We're going to make sure the cup side is up. Stick it on here. And mash it down. I hope you guys got something out of this. It's a super quick and easy mod. You don't need much. I had a couple of screwdrivers, a flat tip Phillips head, an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension, and you're good to go. You just gotta take your time, and you'll be fine. So, if you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already to keep up with this build, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Later.